The time has come for us to take smart lighting control to the next level. Plejd Goggles Pro is our new and intuitive tool to control lighting systems with the help of augmented reality. Using eye tracking and hand gestures, turning your lights on has never been easier. Plejd Goggles Pro is highly integrated with all of our known and lesser-known products, like Plejd's last year's market-breaking automated home cleaning system, the PGP-01. Plejd app has never been more intuitive and user-friendly. Turn your lights on with just a flick of your fingers and control the dimming with a twist of your arm, or simply shoot from your hip. And of course, none of it would be possible without all the great electricians out there. The PGP-01 makes Plejd installations a breeze, even in the dark. It will visually guide you all the way from error assessment to easy solutions. Comfortable, reliable, made in Sweden. Plejd Goggles Pro, available only today. You just got Plejd.